Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this Syntec jumper box. It weighs 14 pounds, 7.2 ounces as it sits. We're going to see what we can get out of it and see if we can find anything nice in it. So stay tuned and let's get it done. See if we get any good copper out of this. It is metal, copper coated metal. Cannot tell if those are screws or not. It's not been screws. Bunch of plastic junk, big old battery. Very big battery, little tiny control board, a couple wires, not much in here. Couple little screws here to take out. cigarette lighter, plug, couple nice contacts. Not sure if it's silver or not, but we'll check it out. That itself isn't magnetic. Spring is. We have another one. I'd say that control panel got wet a time or two. I'd say just a low grade board. The rest of that's junk. Yep. The rest of that's junk. So I'll go through and I'll finish cleaning this up. I'm going to strip these wires. Didn't find no transformer or nothing in that. So just a big old battery. So we'll come back and add everything up and see what we get. So stay tuned. I'll be back. And there we have it. Our shred is 7.4 ounces of steel shred. Our battery weighs 11 pounds, 2.1 ounces for this sealed lead acid battery. The low grade board weighs 0.9 ounces. The insulated copper wire is 0.3 ounces. The little bits of brass is 0.5 ounces. And our copper weighs, which those are silver coated copper, 3.8 ounces of copper. Not a whole lot. Those here clamps were in the seal because they were steel. They were like copper coated steel, so they're steel. So that's what we got out of this whole jumper box. Didn't find no transformer or nothing. So all the copper came out of the wire itself, and the weight, most of the weight was from the battery. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll find something else and we'll tear it apart together, and stay tuned, and more to come. So thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.